Hello, young scholars! Today, let's talk about the yes I can, yes I will attitude. Having a yes I can, yes I will attitude means making up your mind to do excellent things, like going to college or having a great career. A career is a cool type of job you can have when you are an adult. To have a great career, you need to go to college and earn a degree or learn unique skills. Planning for career goals when you grow up is important because you can make more money and it shows you know how to work hard, focus, and make good choices for your future. There are so many careers to choose from. You can plan to be an engineer, teacher, game designer, veterinarian, or even a soldier. Do you have a career that you dream about? Did you know you can use your super skills to help you achieve big goals? Like going to college and having your dream career? So put your yes I can, yes I will attitude to work by showing your super skills every day, learning all you can about college and planning your dream career. Remember, you can be anything you want to be.